Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix GCash error message. Oops, this feature does not support Android version 4.4 and lower. So this is the problem most people have been facing on their Android phone lately, or on GCash app. So if you see this on your GCash app, this pop-up message, all you need to do is you need to go to your phone settings, right? Go to your phone settings and click on that. So once you click on that, you go straight to about phone so that you know the Android version your phone is actually. So my phone version is Android 15. So if yours is lower than 4.4, that means your phone is out of date and GCash won't be able to work on your phone. So how are you going to resolve that problem? All you need to do is try to update your phone. So just search for updates. Once you search for updates, scroll down to about phone, Google Play System Update. So you can now click on this. So you can see mine is up to date already, but if yours is not up to date, you have to click on update and it's going to update. So once it's updated, all you need to do is you have to uninstall your GCash app. Once you uninstall the app, you install the app again. After installing the app again, then you can now use a very strong internet connection to open up that app, GCash, right? So this is actually how to tackle the problem on GCash. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.